Hi, welcome back in a new update of mine. For those who don't really know me, my name is Lotfi, and today I would like to share with you what I've been doing up to now. I just recorded a new video for the entrepreneurship program, Practical Tools for Entrepreneurship, and the video is related to audio recording, how to make sure that you have actually good quality sound without too much echo, background noises, and things like that, especially if you would like to use your recordings also for podcasts or are only recording podcasts. But even when you record a video, it's important that you have good quality sound. Otherwise, people will be like, oh, and then people will go away. They will not get your message. And I also would like to share that I'm about to record some videos regarding how to actually integrate spirituality in your daily life, how to deal with what's coming on your path, with the challenges. We are all experiencing a lot of changes at this moment, whether we want it or not. I mean, some of us that we want to change our lives, we want to improve things, but many of us just want things to stay the way they are. But they're not. Life is changing. The world is changing. Everything is actually changing around us. Even the things that we think, yeah, but this part that is stable. Well, no need to worry. But you could start worrying because it's going to change. So how to deal with this? So I'm going to record a few videos also regarding this, where I will help you to understand what is happening and how to deal with it, how to make sure that you can actually get into a better place, not to have your reality collapse and then end up with only shit around you. Yeah, let's call it shit, because a lot of us are going through shit, are going through hell, are going through very difficult situations, difficult moments, difficult periods of our lives. How to transform that? How to change that into something better so that your life starts to do this again? The quality of your life improves. Well, there are simple tools for this. So I will be sharing a few of these things in the upcoming videos I will be uploading today and tomorrow, and the day after probably. And I just want you to know that if you feel that you're stuck, if you feel like, yeah, okay, the theory is nice, but I really need a little bit more, I need some assistance, then simple. Contact me. Let me help you. You will see on the homepage of my website Soul Answers. What does it mean? It's when you have this question like, I'm really stuck, and I need to know what is that next step. I don't know how to get to that voice inside me that actually can tell me what is the correct next step to take. Well, I can help you with that. I can guide you in that. If you need more in depth, then we can discuss that too. But just start with a simple, relatively short session where you can experience how it is to actually get some answers, or how you can find some answers. And if you're an entrepreneur and you're like, hey, wait, recording better quality sound, that sounds like a great thing. Well, I'm also making videos about how to record better quality videos, and a lot of practical tools how to make better visuals that look nicer, that look more professional, and that's recognizable, that they're really yours, as well as soft skills. Soft skills being the way you look at things, the way you look at your business, the way you deal with situations, the way you approach your business. Things like sales. Some of you may hate selling. Why? Because we all encounter these salespeople in stores, or people on the street trying to sell you whatever crap, or sometimes even good stuff. But they do it in a way like, it's like, salespeople, yuck. Of course you don't want to be that. I don't want to be that. And I worked in sales for a long period of time, but I was not doing that. So I'm going to teach, for example, how can you actually sell without being a sleazy salesperson? How to deal with certain situations, how to deal with taking tough decisions, how to take those decisions. what choices to make. Plenty of those things. I have like 15 fundamental rules for entrepreneurship. 15. 1, 2, 3, 15. And probably the same number of practical tools, videos with practical tools. And it's in the community, it's in a closed group where you will also be interacting with other participants. And you can still join. I mean, it started the 1st of this month, but you can still join if you would join now within the coming few days, and we'll close it soon. It's still possible for you to catch up. But after that, you will need to wait for if I'm going to start a new group or not. That will really depend on how many people will actually register. Because if people don't do that, then I will not just repeat things, because I do not like to repeat things. So I need to have really an enthusiastic group of people, which is big enough for me to say like, okay, it's going to be worth it, because there will be so much new interaction, new input from new people, that it's not repeating the old thing. So you can still join up now. I'll add a link in the comments, and yeah, do something. Make your life also go like this, being it privately or business or both. And they're quite connected. That's why I focus on both. And there is something else coming, a separate subject that has a huge impact on your lives, but I'm not going to say it yet. I'm going to keep it as a surprise for next time. So, if you have questions, contact me or put it in the comments. If you liked it, put a like. Follow me. Join the group. The group is also called intuitiv.me here on Facebook. So you can just go on the URL, you type Facebook and then intuitiv.me, but I'll also add a link in the comments, because there you will find more in-depth videos than what I post generally. And I post them earlier in the group than on my wall. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day, or evening, or morning, or night, wherever you are on the globe, because I know you guys, you can be everywhere. From Europe to South Africa to Australia to the US to Canada to Brazil, India, Japan, everywhere. And that's the beauty of the internet. That's also one of the things that I teach in the program for entrepreneurs, how to use this in your advantage. See you soon. Have a wonderful day.